Vieira here with the new all-time highs in shares of Adobe. Adobe it is one of my favorite American companies, a long-term investment. I started buying shares, not at the bottom, at $86. I started also buying and investing heavily in Amazon at 77, strong buy rating. And still today I have shares of Amazon. Amazon is the best company in the world. It is today trading at well above $1,500. And you have the full investment process described in these companies, Americans, global leading companies, on my own website. This is one of the best companies for you to buy, my friends. You know, you can make this per day. You know, if you invest in Adobe, you make this per day. This is real money, you see? Real money, all right? Real money here. This is more than you make per day, right? Not even more than per month, okay? So this is how much you can make by buying shares today. Adobe, you are buying above my price, obviously. But if you wanted to buy $86, I already told you, subscribe to the service. It is, my friends, it is there, it is free, all right? Very simple. Strong buy rating, moving higher. You have it here. More than you are ever going to make per day. This is how much you can make, okay? Proven, live on the tape. Call the subscribers, my friends. Call them. Testimonials, reviews, strong buy, moving higher. Understand? Only the American scammers, they are downgrading. Strong buy, long term, like Warren Buffett, long term.